Hi, here I would like to introduce to you the new EV Tools Trolley from DaTo. It hosts 116 pieces of tools in its beautiful chest of 7 drawers. Coupled with 2 caster wheels that has good locking mechanism. You go for 2 caster wheels with full 360 degree of rotation. You can maneuver the tools trolley in any direction you want, and it comes with a full set of hanging hooks that enables you to hang all your hanging tools during the course of your operation. While you are on work, never rush to open the drawers. Just hang them at ease. Coming here, you see the folder. This is the folder holder. The service technician, he receives his chart of jobs or his job card. He saves it in here right away, well and clean, safe and operation. Here you have the set of 7 chest of drawers, beautiful combination of the sustainable green and orange color developed by DaTo.
DaTo EV, your trusted partner for EV tools.